How to delete Among Us account. So if you want to delete Among Us account, then first you need to open up your Among Us application. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and here you need to search for Among Us. Once you've searched for the contact page of Among Us, here it will have all of these options. So you can go for support, feedback, or bugs by simply going to the innersloth.com. You need to tap on the link right here. So you can copy and then you can enter that link here. And here you need to go for Inner Sloth Help Center, which is here on the bottom. Or you can scroll down and go for Contact Us. And once you're here on the Contact Us, you need to again go for the search and search for delete account on Among Us. And here you will have how do I delete my account on Among Us. So tap on that and here it will give you the solution. So here it says that you need to submit a ticket to the support team and they will help get your account ready for deletion. So you need to enter support ID and then the platform that you are using, like your Steam, PlayStation, Google Play, etc. And then the account name on the platform listed on the line above. So tap on submit a ticket and here it will take you to the delete page. So here you need to enter delete my Among Us account, and then you need to enter your email address, your subject, and then the description of the issue, your account ID, your platform that you are using, the country and region from where you're using, and then the username of your Among Us. And once you've entered all of the information, you need to tap on submit. Once you tap on submit, your account will be ready to delete and they will delete your account. So that's how you can delete your account on your Among Us. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.